Hello Fada, accent on the Irish language, basic notes and background for the curious, with session leader Renata Henley. From the Hedge School at the Irish Roots Cafe. More courses and information found at www.irishroots.com.
Fáilte ró a bharrás a harja gudi hello fada, Sha Renata ansha.
And the word for today is óró.
I'm not sure that's a real word, Aviho.
I'm not either, but I was taught that into one of the first songs that I learned that was in the Irish language. And there's óró here and then sometimes it's Óró Johnny. Óró Johnny, won't you come home soon? Or Óró Sé bhaithe. Óró, and I'm thinking, well, what does that mean? It sounds like it's just an exclamation.
I believe it is. I haven't ever stopped to look it up, but I'm pretty sure it just is like oh ho ho.
It's like óró, or hey or ho.
Or hey or ho, yeah.
Okay. But I've seen it in songs and poetry, and they use it quite a bit.
That's right.
Well, now, óró, what I think, didn't you teach last semester, you taught the students here at the cafe, you taught them a song that began with that word, that exclamation.
The song was written by Patrick Pierce. And it's called Óró Sé bhaithe.
Yes.
Which is the first line of the chorus. So I don't know if the song is actually called that, but that's what it's typically referred to.
And it comes from an old tune that was actually a Jacobite tune way back when.
Is it a sea shanty?
Well, it didn't sound like it from what research I've done. It could have been, but it was a Jacobite tune with different words. Mm-hmm. And then in some parts of the country, it became a hauling home song, where like the bride's things were packed up in a thing and hauled to the husband's
the hope chest was taken.
Yeah, like a new,
or the trousseau.
But it's only about a week or two after the wedding they bring all this stuff in. I think they were waiting to see if they were going to get along okay. But the words were different, but the tune was the same. And then Patrick Pierce, before the Rising, before 1916 and all that sort of thing, he put the new words to it, and it became very popular, and it became an unofficial anthem of the day.
And a beautiful song.
Yeah, and wasn't it in a movie?
It was in a movie recently called The Wind That Shakes the Barley.
Oh, yeah.
Starring Cillian Murphy, a very fine-looking young man from Ireland.
Yes.
And a local fella was in it. Well, he's not really local. He's from County Cork, and he's an Irish language speaker.
Oh, and I remember seeing him walking down this road coming out of the fog.
That's it.
And all these rough men ready to fight and go to war are just, carrying what have you in their hands, from guns to pitchforks to clubs. And they're singing this song together coming out of that.
And he's leading the song. Martin de Cogoin is his name. And he's from Cork, but he's got Kansas City connections. So, yeah, we all feel great fondness for Martin.
What a song that is. Well, now, are you going to try, the chorus to that really has three lines that just repeat each other.
It does.
Or one line that repeats itself three times.
I knew what you meant.
Yeah. Well, some of our listeners may be taking every word to heart here. They may not understand it. Every once in a while I get something wrong.
And the cafe occasionally serves wine.
It does. And that throws things way out of kilter. So you think you might teach the crowd here how that song goes?
Óró Sé bhaithe is the first line.
Right.
Óró Sé bhaithe.
Right.
Óró Sé bhaithe. Anish heacht an taure.
Ooh, that's much better than I said it. I forget all those little accents. I used to say, Anish heacht an tauri.
Yeah. Well, that last word can be pronounced a few different ways, but anish is pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Anish heacht. Heacht an tauri or taurig.
Yes, I've seen that both ways.
Yeah.
So
one's a northern and one's a more southern.
Okay, so you get to pick which dialect you're using.
You can.
As if you knew.
As if you knew. And if you listen to Sinead O'Connor's version or Martin de Cogoin's version or Dara O'Cahoin's version, they all pronounce that word differently.
Yes.
But it's all understood, so it's okay.
That's right. Yes, yes. Well, now, how'd that first line went? Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, Anish heacht an tauri. Ooh, what a deal. Now, that last line, I have a little trouble with that second word.
Yeah, anish.
Anish
hyacht.
I was going tocht, tocht.
No, there's an H on it.
Yeah.
There's a shevu on it, so it goes from tocht to hyacht.
Anish
Anish. Hyacht.
Hyacht.
Antaurig.
Anish hyacht. I have to remember that HA sound before hyacht.
It's a hard enough thing to say when you don't kind of already have a good grasp of it, when you're just learning it cold. Anish hyacht antaurig.
Anish hyacht antaurig.
Anish
hyacht antaurig.
That's it.
Ooh.
So Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, anish hyacht antaurig.
Anish hyacht antaurig.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, shall we sing it one more time for
Oh, why not? Let's amuse people.
We could go ahead through the whole song, but I'm afraid I get corrected so much.
We'd never get through it.
I'd get in terrible. So let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, Óró Sé bhaithe, anish hyacht antaurig. Wow, I went up a whole octave.
Aren't you good? I could try going down.
I tell you, I don't know what happened. We were harmonizing fine. I got starstruck. I couldn't take it anymore.
We might be famous someday.
Well, I think that does it for today. But there's a whole lot of there's 3 more verses to that song, and
3 verses in the chorus all the way through.
Yes,
3 or 4 times.
And I memorized them all without anyone correcting me because no one knows I've ever sung it. And I'm afraid if I sing it now, I get corrected so badly. So maybe at the end of these introductory lessons, we'll try all of them just for fun.
That would be fun.
But get ready because you're going to be called to task here before long. So everybody study that. It's really only 2 lines for you to memorize because you repeat that first one. And that was it. So this is Mike OLaughlin from the Irish Root Cafe signing off from...
Hello, Fada.
Hello, Mudda. Excuse me.
Cut that out, you.
There we go. From Hello, Fada, saying we'll talk to you again, and check out on the blog and check out Renata's page on the Hedge School site, too. We've got a little bit about her and a little bit about Peter, and we've got all 8 of the podcast feeds that we've got so far up, so you can sure have a lot of fun, and remember that we appreciate your support, and without your membership or sponsorship, we wouldn't be here at all. So that's it for me.
Slánanish.
Hello, Fada is a presentation of the Irish Head School at www.irishroots.com. These introductory sessions are for those curious about the Irish language and for those considering a course of study in the future. Renata, your session leader, also offers a course of study in the Irish language and language services on a regular basis. Contact us on our webpage at irishroots.com or by mail at the Irish Roots Cafe, Box 7575, Kansas City, Missouri 64116. Leave a message on our phone recorder at 816-256-3360. Your hedge school needs your support. Sponsors and memberships are always welcome. So ends another session from the sunny side of the hedge.